I have already put this file here, so let me just read that file and work on. So for that, I'm very much going to do the same thing that I do every time. I'm creating ref file, the whole folder structure, and this CSV term str.cr. This actually tells that data is in Word form in Windows, and it is getting read in actually in Unix kind of environment. So you need to replicate it essentially if you have Windows machine and you are running the SAS online version, which is primarily running on Unix kind of environment. Once you run it and you do the proc import, here I am showing you one more thing which says replace. So what it does, if at all data is already there, which in our case it should be there, I guess, because I had just tried checking. If it is there, it will get replaced. If it is not there, it will get created anyway. So let me just run the command. It will create the data set. You have got 2186 rows. If you think of, we should have got 2185, and it's all because at the end in SAS Online you get some blank rows, which is typically just of SAS Online version. In other packages or SAS PC SAS or SAS EG, you don't get this kind of problem. But that problem is not going to hurt us anyway, and we will solve it. Now the next step is all about keeping only two variables, age and rate car, because we need only these two variables for this exercise. So for that I'm putting keep equal to these two, and only these two variables will get in the ACCD1 dataset. So now ACCD1 dataset has only two variables, age and rate car. Now let me get rid of the blank records, because if you remember there were 5 records where anyway age was missing. If I run this, it will actually delete even the extra row. So in lieu of 2186, I'll get 2180 records. If you think of till now, you have 2186, you'll get 2180 because there are 5 records where age is missing that you had seen in R, and 1 record there where that has come just where all the fields are blank. So let me run it. Now you have 2180 records. So that's good enough. Let's create the age group variable, and here that's how you are defining length, because that's what you are saying in the beginning only, so that it's always comes in the proper format. So let me run it, and in ACCD2 you will get age group. So you have got the age group. Now let's go ahead, do all the 3 things in one go. So when you are running it, SAS by default produces the cell percentage, which saying you have 2180 records, you have roughly 320, which is 15% of the total record. 120 is 5.6% of 2180. So this is cell percentage. This is row percentage. If you see, it's 72.83 plus 27.17 will become 100. And you have column percentage also, 20.55 plus 52.17 plus 27 will become 100. So it has given you everything that you require. And what is this? This is telling you that out of total you have 27% people who are liking red car and 72 here. And if you just go by age group, you have in this distribution, you have 20% folks who are younger than 35, 51% who are 36 to 48, and 28 who are elder than 48. So you get actually cell percentage, row percentage, column percentage, everything gets populated the moment you are putting no row, no column command. If you are not putting, it produces. And the chi-sq command produces the chi-square statistics anyway. So if you look at chi-square statistics, it has come, the p-value has come 0.2327, which is definitely much bigger than 0.01 threshold that people usually apply. So you can say with confidence that these differential bad rates are of, you don't need to bother so much on that. It is as good as random, and you can say more or less all these age group has the similar preference for the red car.